Anguilla. My flowers look so sad because they just got wet because I couldn't resist going swimming. How can you resist swimming in this crystal clear water? Say hello to the blue. Tranquility wrapped in blue. But I wanted to come on here really fast to show you guys what I'm seeing. This is Meads Bay Beach in Anguilla. It is so beautiful. It's actually my favorite beach on island. And look at the water, it's just so crystal clear. And I must show you my favorite part. Come on, let's go. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, you can do so right now. My Instagram will be right here. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Anguilla Beach Vlogs. My favorite part is that there's like a private little beach right on this side. Isn't this beautiful?
Yes.
My family and I are here. We're having a little picnic. And we're so excited to be relaxing and just reflecting on life and how beautiful family is and togetherness is. So I hope you guys are having a great time wherever you are. Please let me know in the comment section. Ah! Below. We're having a great day. Stay tuned for Anguilla local food.
Yep, let's go eat.
Let's go eat.
Hi guys, it's time for yum yum.
Yum yum. Woo. What do you have, Lulu?
I have some wings and rice and plantain.
I have a Caesar chicken salad.
Let's begin.
Oh, she scared me.
Here we are with Bella.
Hi, Belle. Belle, say hi.
Please let me out.
Say, subscribe to my channel. Bella. Thank you so much for joining me and my family at a chill day at Meads Bay Anguilla. I hope you like our food and our dog Bella. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos about Anguilla, my travel experiences, and my natural hair. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up